Let's unbox and take a first look at the iPhone SE 3rd generation. This is the black color. Normally there would be two strips on the back. One of them has already been taken off, so take off the bottom one. These are just paper pull tabs. They started to have this, the iPhone 13 with the paper pull tabs. So here it is. This is more of like the midnight color on the iPhone 13 and 14 series. You see there is a Touch ID indication on the home button. We also have this small pamphlet with the SIM ejector and the one Apple sticker, which is actually quite small. And we do have a Lightning to USB-C cable. And on other iPhones, there would just be like one white paper on the screen of the phone, but this comes with the full body wrap. So on the front and the rear. So powering it on right now. And here it is. It is basically just like an iPhone 8. So it still has a Touch ID, a single camera on the back, and yeah. So that will conclude the first look and unboxing.